Whack it. Alrighty, happy Cinco de Mayo. Okay, go up. Alright, go Madeline. Try to hit it. Okay, that's good. Aubrey's turn.
Give it to Aubrey.
She's gonna hit it with the ball.
Alright, Aubrey, your turn. Good hit. You can hit it again. Oh, Madeline. Alrighty. Okay, it's Thalia's turn. Thalia's turn. Thank you, Madeline.
Hallie. Or
Oh,
Hallie.
you can have Hallie go.
Hallie's turn. Somebody grab what's off to Hallie. Aubrey.
Okay, Aubrey, watch out. Ooh, good one.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Good one. All right, it's Thalia's turn. Good job, Hallie. All right, Thalia.
Hit it.
Use both hands.
You can drop it down a little bit for them.
Aubrey, stand back. There's flailing going on here.
Yeah.
Madeline.
Hey, we need $10,000 from AFV. Okay. All right, it's Kylie's turn.
Kylie's turn.
Madeline, Kylie's turn.
No, it's Kylie's turn.
Kylie's turn now.
Kylie's turn.
You're after Kylie. Let Kylie go, then it's your turn.
All right, Kylie needs to be blindfolded.
All right, Kylie. You gotta spin around.
All right, we gotta spin you around.
Madeline, Thalia, Hallie, Aubrey, back up. We don't want anyone getting hit.
So you don't know where the is.
Madeline,
Aubrey,
Thalia,
run
Aubrey,
away.
come here.
Okay. Don't hit me.
Oh, you'll be very safe over there.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh.
Swing. Oh.
All righty. Good try.
This place is about to blow.
Oh yeah, that's what the donkey said.
All right. Now it's Aubrey's turn.
Hallie, do you want another turn?
Aubrey, it's your turn.
You want to hit it again?
Hell yeah, stay out of the way.
Gotta get down there.
Okay, now it's Aubrey's turn.
It's Aubrey's turn. You go after Aubrey.
All right, Aubrey, hit it as hard as you can, honey. Whoa, right in the head. All righty. Good job, Aubrey. Nope, it's Hallie's turn.
Hallie, it's your turn.
It's Hallie's turn.
You want to try?
Hallie, you want to hit it? Here she comes. All righty. Good job.